Let's look at final exam question number 59 in Physics Demystified, 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, you'll find it on page 527. We're given 4 different phenomena: temperature, speed, mass, and force. And we're asked which of them is a vector quantity, or can be expressed, or is normally expressed as a vector. Remember what a vector actually is. A vector has magnitude, which can be expressed as a number, and direction, which can be expressed as one or more angles with respect to a reference axis. In 2 dimensions, a vector needs only one angle. In 3 dimensions, it would need 2 angles. And there are other ways to express vectors in 3 dimensions, but the important thing to remember about a vector is it has a starting point, a magnitude that goes off in a specific direction, and the magnitude and the direction are independent. That is, they can vary independently. Okay, temperature is a scalar. It's what we call a scalar. A scalar quantity is a quantity that's just a number, like 25 degrees Celsius. Temperature doesn't happen in any particular direction. It just is. Speed is also a scalar. It is the intensity or the magnitude of a velocity vector. So speed is not the answer. Mass, that's like a lump of coal, say here. Now if that lump of coal is moving at 20 meters per second in a direction 40 degrees north of east, like it might look here, then we have a certain momentum. That would be a vector, but the mass itself is just like, 20 kilograms. And again, it's a number. Mass is just amount of stuff, doesn't have any direction. But force, that is a vector. That's what this A with the little half arrow over it means. It means vector A. In this case, we might call it a force vector. A force vector, maybe we have a mass here of mass M, and it's accelerating in a particular direction. The acceleration is a vector quantity, has a magnitude in a direction. The force vector required to produce the acceleration is equal to the mass times the acceleration. You remember that formula. Anyway, of the answers that we are given here, it's choice D. Force is the one that can be expressed as a vector quantity.